Are you frustrated by the constant cycle of buying new clothes only to have them wear out quickly? Fast fashion has made it easy to acquire new garments, but at a hidden cost: overflowing landfills, pollution, and unethical labor practices. This cycle drains your wallet and harms our planet. Instead of discarding damaged clothes, consider mending them. Patching holes, sewing on buttons, and fixing seams are simple techniques that can extend the life of your garments. Upcycling is another fantastic way to breathe new life into old clothes. Turn old jeans into a stylish bag or transform a t-shirt into a trendy tank top. These creative projects not only save money, but also reduce waste and promote sustainability. What if you could break free from this cycle, save money, and reduce your environmental impact, all while unleashing your creativity? In this video, we'll explore how sewing can transform your approach to fashion, empowering you to take control of your wardrobe. From simple mending to designing your own clothes, sewing offers a sustainable and rewarding solution. Let's dive into the world of sewing and discover how you can make a positive change. Begin with simple repairs to get started. Mending tasks like sewing on buttons or patching holes are great ways to learn. Hand stitching techniques, such as the running stitch and back stitch, are fundamental skills that can breathe new life into your garments, making them last longer. These small repairs not only extend the life of your clothing, but also give you a sense of accomplishment and self-reliance. Once you're comfortable with mending, try designing and making your own clothes. Creating your own clothes offers endless personalization possibilities. Start with easy patterns, such as skirts or simple tops, and choose fabrics that inspire you. Take your time with accurate measuring and cutting, as these steps are crucial for turning your creative visions into reality. Not only does this process build your skills, but it also results in one-of-a-kind pieces that you can be proud of. Using a sewing machine can greatly speed up projects and enhance precision, allowing you to tackle more complex projects with confidence. Look for machines with features like adjustable stitch length, speed control, and a variety of stitch options to suit your needs. As you practice basic machine techniques, you'll find your sewing skills improving, opening the door to more intricate designs and projects. Choosing the right sewing machine is an important step in your sewing journey. Consider your budget and the types of projects you plan to undertake. Reliable brands and well-built machines are worth the investment, so take time to test different models to ensure they meet your expectations. A good machine will last for years, providing you with a reliable tool to explore your creativity. Embrace the power of sewing to challenge fast fashion and become self-sufficient. With each stitch, you're making a conscious choice to reduce waste, express your individuality, and learn valuable skills. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe to our channel for more inspiring content on your self-sufficient journey. Together, we can make a difference, one stitch at a time.